Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Rocket science, be like. One, like rocket science, be like. I opened the instruction manual and somehow got even more confused. Why? Sometimes take a lot of learning. Two, like brain surgery, be like. One tiny mistake, better read the instructions twice. Why? Precision really matters. Three, extremely complicated, be like. It has more buttons than I have answers. Why? Lots of details, understand. Four, highly complex, be like. Every thing connects to everything else. Why? Every piece plays a role. Five, incredible, difficult, be like. Level 1 already feels like the final boss. Why? It feels your patience. 6, mind-boggling. Be like, my brain just requested a coffee bomb. Why? It's a lot top practice. 7, not easy. Be like, this won't solve itself. Why? It needs time and effort. 8, a real challenge. Be like, challenge accepted after a snack. Why? Big task need energy. 9, tough to figure it out. Be like, every answer creates 2 new questions. Why? Solving it takes persistence. And 10, hard to understand. Be like, can someone explains it using pizza? Why? Simple examples help. 11, no walk in the park. Be like, definitely not a quick afternoon project. Why? It takes real work. 12, easier said than done. Be like, just do it. They said, thanks for the confidence. Why? Doing is harder than talking. 13, a tough nut to crack. Be like, this puzzle isn't giving up. Why? Some problems need easily creativity. 14, a complicated puzzle. Be like, the piece says fit. Eventually, why? Patience pays off. 15, a serious challenge. Be like, time to roll up my sleeves. Why? Big goals require commitment. 16, advanced stuff. Be like, the tutorial has tutorial. Why? It's beyond the basics. 17, expert level. Be like, the pros make it look easy. Why? Experience makes a difference. 18, not for beginners. Be like, maybe I'll start on the easy mode first. Why? Learning step by step works best. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.